Hello and welcome in the Thermofluid teams. From today we are going to start a beautiful lecture series on thermodynamics. A beautiful lecture series on thermodynamics. So we will start from the basic and gradually we will move to the advanced section where we learn how to solve the advanced problem, how to solve the practical problem with the help of MATLAB, how to plot the results, how to extract the data and extract the useful information from the data. All these things we are going to cover, but we start from the fundamentals first. We are going to start from the fundamental first. So this is the thermodynamics. This is the thermodynamics. What is the meaning of thermodynamics? What is the meaning of thermodynamics? Before start learning, please share and subscribe our channel for latest update. Let me tell you one thing. In this channel, there are a lot of useful information are going to come in future days. So please subscribe our channel. So what is thermodynamics? What is thermodynamics? Thermodynamics is made of two Greek words. One is therm and second is dynamis. One is therm and second is dynamis. What is the meaning of therm? Therm meaning is heat. What is the meaning of therm? Therm meaning is heat. And what is the meaning of dynamis? Dynamis means power. In earlier days, thermodynamics is defined, it is a science to convert heat into the work or power. This is the earlier days definition, and that's why the name of the science is the thermodynamics. But now thermodynamics has a broad area. Thermodynamics has a broad area. We study all kind of energy interaction, including the power, work and heat. All kinds of energy interaction. Apart from that, we also study what is the property of the matter and what is the relation between the property of the matters. All these things we are going to cover in this thermodynamics subjects. So stay in our channel for continuous and happy learning. What are these scientists? What are players in the thermodynamics? These are the players. These are the players in the thermodynamics. First of all, this Thomas Savery and Thomas Newcomen, 1697 and 1712. They are discovered atmospheric steam engine. This is the first discovery in the field of thermodynamics, although thermodynamics name is not came at that time. We will going to discuss, but the steam engine, atmospheric steam engine, which is based completely on the principle of the thermodynamics, was discovered by these two English scientists. So from here the journey begins. Thomas Savery and Thomas Newcomen. Oh, these three are the major players in the thermodynamics. They give the entire law of the thermodynamics. Thermodynamics first law, second law. The heart of the thermodynamics is given by these three scientists. The William Rankine, Rudolf Clausius and Lord Kelvin. Rudolf Clausius and Lord Kelvin and William Rankine. These are the three players. These are the three heroes who gave the first law and the second law of the thermodynamics. The term thermodynamics is given by this man, Lord Kelvin. Lord Kelvin gave the first time the name thermodynamics in 1849. So thermodynamics name come into the picture in 1849, or thermodynamics name coined by Lord Kelvin in 1849. Although from the 1697 and 1712 the discovery of the thermodynamics begins, but in 1849 the first time name came into the picture, and first book is written by William Rankine in the thermodynamics. First book is written by the William Rankine in the thermodynamics. So let me brief you what is the first law and the second law of the thermodynamics. First law of the thermodynamics says energy conservation. We will discuss in the detail. We will discuss a lot of information we will give you in detail. But shortly, the first law of the thermodynamics is energy conservation. Energy neither created nor destroyed. It can be converted in one form to another. What a beautiful law. Suppose this is the man and this is the lifting the weight. Suppose this man eating 30 kilojoule energy and doing work 25 kilojoule by lifting the weight, then how much energy is stored inside of this man? 5 kilojoule. So 5 kilojoule energy storage is there. So this man is going to thick day by day. This man is going to thick day by day. This is the first law of the thermodynamics, energy conservation law. This is the first law of the thermodynamics, energy conservation. What is the second law? Second law, what is the second law? Second law gives the direction. Second law gives the direction of the flow of energy. Second law gives the direction of the flow of energy. Suppose your environment is at 30 degrees Celsius. Your water pot is at 60 degrees Celsius. Then in which direction energy will flow? In which direction energy will flow? It will flow from 60 degrees Celsius to 30 degrees Celsius. This is the second law of the thermodynamics. It not only talk about the quantity of the energy, but quality of energy. Energy always flow from higher quality to lower quality. It is easy to flow the energy from the higher. See here, 60 degrees Celsius quality of energy is high. At the 30 degrees Celsius quality of the energy is low. Always remember, we will discuss in detail what is the second law of the thermodynamics. All these concepts are going to be discussed in detail. Stay in our channel and we will rock together. What are the applications? What a beautiful subject. What application of the thermodynamics? Refrigeration, power plant, aircraft industry, food industry. Everywhere thermodynamics is there. There is no single industry without thermodynamics. Everywhere you will see thermodynamics. So from today we are going to start the rock on the thermodynamics. Let's stay tuned and let's stay in the channel. Please share and subscribe our channel. Thank you very much.